There is a layer of ozone O3 gas in the lower part of the stratosphere. We already saw the 5 layer of the atmosphere. Out of the 5 layer, the stratosphere is second one layer. And in this stratosphere layer, the ozone gas means O3 are present. The ozone gas is not directly useful for the survival of living things. Means it is not useful gas for survival of all the living things, and it is very important for living things to have this layer of ozone at a high altitude around the earth. These ozone layer are present at a high altitude around our earth's surface. The ultraviolet rays coming from the sun are very harmful for living things. The UV rays means ultraviolet rays which are coming from the sun. It is very harmful for us because it causes the sunburn. The exposure to UV rays can damage to eyes. It also alter our immune system of skin. So it is very harmful. It is very dangerous, the rays to all living things. So this ozone gas absorbs these rays. As a result, life on earth is protected. So the ozone gas having property, it absorbs the UV rays. So we can means all the living things are protected from UV rays cause of ozone gas. The ozone layer is destroyed if chemical gases like carbon tetrachloride or the chlorofluorocarbon used in air conditioner and refrigerator mix with the air. Now suppose the ozone layer is a protective shell, and if this ozone layer is destroyed, and who destroy this ozone layer? The chemical gases, and these chemical gases name are carbon tetrachloride CCl4 or the chlorofluorocarbon, and it is used in air conditioner means AC and refrigerator. So from the AC and refrigerator means from the fridge, whatever the carbon tetrachloride or the chlorofluorocarbon are releases, it destroys this ozone layer. The 16th of September is celebrated as the Ozone Protection Day all over the world to make everyone aware of the importance of ozone. Now the 16th September is celebrated as all over the world. It is celebrated as Ozone Protection Day. And why it is celebrated as Ozone Protection Day? Because to make the everyone aware of this importance of ozone. Now you have a homework, and the question is, what is the importance of ozone to all living things? Okay, note down it. Next one, do you know? In a metropolitan cities like Mumbai, Pune or Nagpur, boards are displayed at places of heavy traffic to show the proportion of the various constituents of the air at the place. Whenever we will go, the metropolitan cities, or already if you went, then you know well, like Mumbai, Pune and Nagpur. At the place means which place? At the place of heavy traffic, what are present? The boards are present, and that boards are display the proportion of various constituent of air at the place. Means which air constituent are present in which amount. Due to these boards, we can see the amount of harmful element in the air, and we get aware of the increasing pollution in air. Now use your brain power. What would have happened if there were no air on earth? So we know well, without air life is not possible. So if there were no air on earth, the living things suddenly die. Because if no oxygen and no carbon dioxide, the plant can't do respiration and photosynthesis. So our earth will be lifeless, same as other planet.